front of me is Motorola Razr 70 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage. First of all, you need to open an app called Files that should be in your Google folder. This one. When it's ready, tap on those three lines at the top left corner and select Clean. Then tap on Clean under Junk Files and Clear in the pop-up. As you can see, after a few seconds, storage of my device was successfully cleaned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!